Hello everyone, my name is Smant Udihwe. Welcome to my channel. In this new video, I'll be explaining how to set up our chat using Android phone, because I understand that some of us will be using our mobile phone to trade with the IQ Ocean application. So I want to explain to us how we can set up our chat for those that don't know how to use the IQ Ocean app, and get ready for the project that is coming out on the 24th of this month. That's next week, Monday. Okay, first of all, you have to click on the link that I sent to us on the WhatsApp group, the free signal group. So click on the link, you register with IQ Ocean, because immediately you click on the link, it will take you to Google Play Store. So where you would download the IQ Ocean application. So you download and then you register. So this is the app here on my screen. So this is IQ Ocean app. Just click on it. This will be downloaded. Immediately you click on the link that I sent on that platform. Please do not go to the Google Play Store and just type IQ Ocean. The reason is that so that you don't mistakenly download a wrong application and then maybe end up losing your money. This is the correct application, direct from the company IQ Option. Please click on the link, download it from Play Store, because the link will lead you to Play Store. Download it from Play Store and then register with them. So this is it here. The registration is very easy. You type in your email address, the password you want to use, your country of residence, which is Nigeria, and then you activate your, as in you accept the terms and conditions, which is this place, and you click registration. That is all. It will log you in. Now I have an account with them already, so I don't have to register. All I need to do is to log in. So I'll type in my email address and of course my password. And then click login. So this is our IQ Ocean app. Right now, the screen is very simple, so I will have to explain it to us briefly how we can use this app. Alright, all this you don't really need, then you can close. And this Bitcoin here, we don't need it, we can close. You can see the S by the side here. You can just, this S by the side here, you can just click on it and of course you close it. So we close. So our advice, you close the two and have just one active on the screen. That is Euro USD. Anyone that is active on the screen is okay, but at least close the rest. Have just one of the assets active on the screen. So the first thing we need to do, because you can see in the environment, the chart, you can't really read it, you can't understand what is really happening here. So the best thing for us to do is, first we change the chart to candlesticks. This is it here. Okay, there you have 5 seconds there. Change it to candlesticks and then you click here, this candlesticks. Okay, so change it to candlesticks. Then the next thing is, because we'll be using 5 minutes for trade. Now we can use 1 minute to trade, but I advise you use 5 minutes. This is because we don't want to rush a trade. Let's assume the candlestick is coming, as in the signal is coming up, and within 1 minute it will not be easy for me to send the signal and you'll get it and also activate your chart for trading. So it's preferable we use 5 minutes. Please set it to 5 minutes. So this is it here. You can see 5 seconds here. So all you need to do is to scroll, carry it on until you get to 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes. So what it means is that each candlestick here is 5 minutes. That is what it means. Now here, turn it off. Right, this it is on. What it means is that auto scaling, meaning anytime you adjust the view of the screen, automatically the 5 minutes will change. So maybe if you are reducing, the 5 minutes will be reducing. If you are increasing, it will be increasing, just like that. So we don't want that to happen. We want it to remain 5 minutes. So turn it off. So right now, turn it off. That is it. Now go back to the chart. You can use your two hands to expand the chart so that you can see it clearly. Now you've seen that this place, the 5 minutes remained 5 minutes. So assuming we did not turn it off, the 5 minutes will be changing. It can change to 1 minute, it can change to 10 minutes, and which is very wrong for our trading. We want the candlestick to be 5 minutes. All right. Now looking at the chart here, you see green, you see red. What that means is this: each candle here, whether green or red, represents 5 minutes. Each candle represents 5 minutes. So what this means is this: when it is green, like in this case for instance, when it is green, it means that the price of the asset was actually going up within that 5 minutes. So like you can see here, the whole of this is green, meaning for the first 5 minutes the price was going up, in the second 5 minutes it continued, and in the third one also continued. That's a whole lot of 15 minutes and the candle was going up. Okay, and then this one here, this red here, means the candle was coming down, as in the price of the asset was coming down in the 5 minutes. Now what we do as a trader is to be able to know when the price will go up and when it will come down. Okay, now whether it is going up or it is coming down, if you predict correctly, you win money, you have a profit. So if for instance, like look at this place, this is the percentage they are giving us. That is 87%. So for instance, let's say we have $10 here. Please, I'm not trading, I'm only just showing you. Let's assume, look at where I clicked on here. I click on this place to type the amount I want to use to trade. Okay, so let's assume we have like a $10 here. Sorry, we have $10 here. You can see that because I've been given it 7%, I will be giving it 7%. It's saying that I will gain $8.7 as my gain, as in if this thing is successful. So for instance, if I predict that the candle will go up, that is the price of the asset will go up, which is green, and I click on this green here, and they actually went up, then I will make a profit of $8.7. Okay, but if it goes against me, I will lose that $10. So when you make a gain, what happens is that the $10 you use, as in the amount you use to place the trade, will return back to you, and the profit will be added to your balance. Okay, so this is what we will be doing. Now, to know when it will actually rise, as in when the price will go up and when the price will come down, that is where the major issue is. That is why you need me. Okay, you need somebody that already understands how to read the charts, how to know when it is likely to come down, how to know when it is likely to go up, so that you will pick correctly and then have a successful trade. Okay, so right from this place, you have your real account and your demo account. So if you click on this place right now, you can see here I have a practice account, I have a real account. Okay, so for my practice account, I have zero actually. I was testing something. I wanted to reduce it to $20 so that I'll just use it to show some practice. So I actually did a video for that. That was why it's zero. So it can easily be top up. Okay, It's free. The money there is free. You will have like $10,000. It's free. It's just for you to practice and understand how to use it before you put your real money. Okay, so my real account, I have $87, $87.959. Okay, so I actually make some withdrawals. That is why it is like that. I've been trading for since 2018. I've been making withdrawals. So let's leave that aside. So you can switch between the two. You can click on the practice account and have your practice account active here. You can see now the practice account is active here. You can see here now the practice account is active. Okay, so if you switch to real account, then of course your real account will be active. You can see the real account is active there. Okay, so but for a beginner, I advise you start with practice account. So understand what you are doing first before switching to real account, so that you don't end up losing your money. Okay, so whenever I send in a signal, this is how it will go for the project. On the group, I will send in get set for Europe USD, for example. Get set for Europe USD. We are expecting a lower option soon. So when I say lower option represent put. This put here, the red. That is the lower option. This red here is the put. This call here, okay, is higher. Lower option is red. Put is also called higher. Lower option is put. It's also called lower. Okay, lower, put, sell. It's also called sell in some assets, in some application. Sell. So sell, put, lower represent red. Okay, price going down. Higher, call, and the buy is the same thing as green. This call here. Okay, this is the call here. So if I say get set for Europe USD, we are expecting a higher option soon. So what that means is this. Click here, because Euro USD is already on. Let's say GPB USD. Just click here, this plus sign here. Click on this plus sign here. This plus sign here. Okay, click on it and select GPB USD. Okay, do GPB USD here. Okay, let's say Euro GPB. So you select you select Euro GPB. This is it. Select Euro GPB. Okay, let's wait for it. Oh, now once you set this, it's supposed to automatically apply. But if you did not apply, you can quickly set it. Just click here, change to candlestick, and set it to 5 minutes. So that is how to get set. You close this, okay, and then you put in the amount you want to use to trade. Okay, you put in the amount you want to use to trade. Please, for those with $20 deposit, you use 1.5. Okay, and for those with $50 deposit, you use $2 per trade. Then those with $100 deposit, you use $4 per trade. Please do not use more than this. This is for us to make sure that we don't end up blowing up the account. Please take note, don't use more than $4 per trade if you have $100 in your account. I have a reason for that. Okay, so because we at the point you may lose a trade. I'm not 100% perfect, so there are some points where the candle will go against us. So we expect to reverse, it may not reverse, it will go against us. So not all the trade. If I give 10 signals, we may lose like 2. So how to recover those 2? So that's why you need a larger amount in your account. So use only $4. Don't use 10 at once. So if you are using 10 because you have $100 and you use 10 like 2 times and you lose it, what does that mean to you? Meaning you are losing $20 at once. So we don't advise that. Please don't do that. Use $4 per trade for $100, and for $50 use $2 per trade, and those with $20 use just $1.5 per trade. Okay, so you set in the amount here you want to use. That's a $4. Then you click on this place here and select 5 minutes. Please take note, take note of this place. You have 1 minute, you have 5 minutes, you have 15 minutes. Okay, so 1, 5, 15. So you have to use the 5 minutes. So please, I noticed that for app, even when you select 5 minutes, at times it will change back to 1 minute. So my advice is this: please, this one remained 5 minutes here, but this one is likely to change when you want to place a trade. So what I advise is this: anytime you want to place a trade, quickly change it to 5 minutes. Just confirm that it's 5 minutes before placing the trade. So when I say get set for GPB USD or Europe USD, we are expecting a lower signal soon, or higher signal soon. What you do is you quickly set the chart and you wait. So immediately I sent in, place a trade in the next candle for 5 minutes. Okay, what it means is you now quickly come here and select 5 minutes. You already set the amount, you set everything you want to set. So you select 5 minutes. You are getting ready to put either to place a trader on put or on call, which is green or red. Then you watch the time here. Sorry, this sorry, this time here, this time. Sorry, this time here. There's time here, okay? Because it's at the beginning of each candlestick that you start a trade. Please take note, this time here, you have to watch this time here. Let me do it again. This time here, watch this time here, okay? Especially this place, okay? So this is 7:56 29 seconds. So this is 56 minutes. That is about 4 minutes to 8. Okay, so what that means is this: because it's 5 minutes each for each candle, once it is 8 a.m., a new candle will start. 5 minutes past 8, another candle will start. 10 minutes past 8, another candle will start. 15 minutes past 8, another candle will start. That is 5 minutes intervals. Hope you get what I just explained. So what we are doing is you wait. This one is counting, is still far. This is 57, so meaning we still have like 3 minutes to go for this candle that is here to complete. We still have like 3 minutes to go, so you don't place a trade yet, you wait. So when the candle is about to complete, meaning is about like maybe 7, that 57 there, let's say it's 59, that means you have 1 minute to go. Then this seconds is about 58 or so, that means 2 seconds to go. Then you now quickly click on the button you want to click on, whether green or red, okay, and then you confirm the trade. I hope you get what I just said. So as it is now, I will wait. This is 57, so I will wait. Okay, 58, which means this candle here is still this candle here is still 2 minutes away to complete. So let's wait. Of course, maybe I should use $1 here. Let me top up this sorry, let me top up my free account. Okay, I just top it up, so I have $10,000. Please, I didn't deposit is for you to put real money. So I click on this place and select this reload here, so it gives me $10,000. That's enough for me to trade. So I have $4 here. It's my trade. So here we still have 58. Okay, so we're still okay. Now it's 59. Let's be getting set. It's 59. It's getting closer. So just be watching that time. It is when the time is about to complete 5 minutes. You know, 5 minutes means 8, 5 minutes past 8, 10 minutes past 8, 15 minutes past 8, 20 minutes past 8, 5 minutes interval. That's what you are using. Okay, so now is about 25 seconds to go, so I can click here and set the time. If you don't set it early, if you set it early, the problem is that it may change back again. So since if you are told to press the lower to place a trade for lower or for higher, if it's for lower, for instance, you click on this put, just wait a little. Once it's about okay, now put and then confirm. Now you can see that the candle actually started. You can see a new candle emerge here, and my trade has been placed. You see it? Now here is my investment, which is $4. Here is the gain I'm expected, as in that I will receive if this thing is successful. Here is the pre-sale, meaning if I should close it now, if I click here and close the trade, because there are times you think that this trade may go against you and you close it. So if I should close it here, I will lose. Okay, we're saying I will gain right now because it's in green, so I will gain 0.05 is changing, so 0.02 cent. That is what I will gain. But this is the fixed amount that if the trade at the end of the 5 minutes is successful, this is what I will gain, and this is my investment. Okay, so we are looking up to this candle in the next 5 minutes to give us the final result. If the candle is actually down, which is red, green, then we have a winning trade, and then the balance will be added to this place. Okay, let's wait. You can see the candle is reversing to green. Please take note, this is not a perfect signal. I just placed a trade just to show us how to place a trade. So I'm not actually, you can see I'm not even using my real account because I know it might work, it might not work. So I don't want to lose my money. So we'll wait for the next 5 minutes to know the outcome of this trade. It has come down again. So that is how it is. In 5 minutes, if you place a trade for down, as in for lower, that is sell, put, anyone you call it is the same thing. When you place a trade for down, it can go up and come down and go up just like that. Don't let your heart don't be afraid, because the main thing is the final minute. In the final minute, if it goes against you, that is when you, even the final seconds, not even minute, the final seconds, it can go against you even in the final minute, and then the last 2 seconds you can just come down and be in your favor. It's still a winning trade. As long as the last seconds go in your favor, then it's a winning trade. Okay, so it is at the beginning of a candle that you should place a trade. Don't place a trade after the candle must have started counting. It's not advisable, so that you don't end up losing the trade. So we pick green, sorry, we pick red, and the candle right now is green. So which means that is the reason this place now is showing red. Okay, this is our investment, $4. This place is showing red, meaning we are losing $4 at the end of the trade. But if we decided to close it now, we will lose this. Okay, this one will return back to us. Okay, meaning we will not lose the whole $4. This will return back to us. We will lose this. Okay, but I would not advise you to close. Just allow it to count. It's possible you can still come down before the last minutes complete. So don't place a trade and close it. Leave it like that. So the remaining time that is left for this candle to complete is here. You can see 1 minute there. It's telling us we still have about 1 minute to go for this candle to complete. Okay, so let's wait for it. It can still be in our favor, or it may go against us. Please, I advise that you practice on the demo account first. So all the signal I'll be giving today, tomorrow, please practice it and demo account first. Okay, it's telling us we have just 30 seconds to go. You can see it right here. The candle is about to complete. It's right here. Okay, so let's see what happens. It can still be in our favor, it can go against us. Whatever happened, the problem, you can see it's coming down. That is how it is. So don't let your heart remain or just remain firm. Confidence is what you need to always win it. Okay, we failed it, and then it's against us. They say we minus $4. So you can see our balance is minus $4. That is it. So you click on this one here, and that is it for that trade. So you wait for another signal. Okay, I hope we all understand this. If this is your first time of seeing my video, please like, comment on it. If you want me to do anything, write it on the comment section, and share this video to your trader friends. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is very important, especially for those on this project. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be uploading videos that will explain to us how to use what we are expected to do. If I notice the mistakes some of us are making, I will release a video and put it on the YouTube. So please subscribe. Invite people to subscribe. Call people to join this project. You will make money together. They are not making your money. They are not collecting the one you make. So don't be stingy. Invite people. Too many people want to make money and they need this project. Please invite them. Let them join us. Okay? All right. Thank you all.